Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your guy Paul Nyaroto. So if it's your first time you're visiting my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon down below to enable notifications. So guys, in this video today I'll be showing you on how to install a browser, and I'll be installing Mozilla Firefox. These are a browser which will assist you go to the internet and even access some web pages and several various web resources and web pages. So just access the installation file, the installation location. So I have it in my removable disk G. So in this folder named soft, and then have it to the Firefox setup. So you run the setup. So depending the file installation that you have, in this case now the file is being extracting first, then after that you go to installation. So guys, as you know, you have different types of browsers. You have Mozilla, you have Chrome, Windows Explorer, we have Tor browser, and other types of browser. So at this point, welcome to the Mozilla Firefox setup wizard. So this wizard will guide you through the installation of Mozilla Firefox. It is recommended that you close all the applications before starting the setup, because at this point then the setup will now have enough time in the processor, and then it will process at a high rate. Then you have to click on next. Then you have a choose setup options, so you can choose the standard or custom. Under custom you may choose the individual options to install. So recommended for experienced users. If you already have been using the Mozilla Firefox and you just now want to modify some elements or install some elements, leaving alone some other elements, so just select custom. But if you want to do the full installation of the Mozilla Firefox, then you have to check the standard box. Then you go to the Firefox will be installed with the most common options. So at this point you have to choose the type of setup that is best for you, and then you proceed. You click next. If you're not sure the things you're doing, you can click back and then get back to the wizard. So at this point you have read to start installing the Firefox. So you have the installation location for the Firefox. So every software has the installation location. So you have the drive C. So you can change the drive maybe to drive D, drive E, and so on. So then you click next after specifying the install location. Then this is now the step of installing the software. Then completing the Mozilla Firefox. So the installation takes a very small amount of time, maybe 1 to 4 minutes. If it proceeds for a long time, it not may exceed 5 minutes. So you launch the setup now, or you can uncheck that box, you may launch it later. But in this case, you just want to launch it now because I have to show you some other features about the Mozilla Firefox. So this now we have launched the software. So this is now the browser, and this is the browser window. In this case, I've not connected to the internet, so this is the reason as to why it's indicating the server not found. So just open another new tab, then to the top right corner just click on this icon up here, so for you to access other features of this Mozilla Firefox. So you can, as you see on the window, you have CNN, you have Facebook, you have Wikipedia, you have email, you have Amazon, and other things. So you click at that top right corner to select these other items. So from there you can change the features. So this, let me just highlight this part that I'm saying for you to click on it. The one I've highlighted on with the red mark. So that's where you click, and then to view the options, and then maybe you modify the window and maybe customize and access the library and add-ons and even the options. So have the negative sign, also have the positive sign of that. so you can increase the page size, or even you can zoom in, you can zoom out to increase the page size, and even for easy readability. So you use the negative sign to decrease, then the positive one to increase. As I'm pressing the positive one, as you can see, the percentage is now rising from 120, 100, and so on. Then you can reduce the window size. So from there you can also click on options for you to view the other options that you have on this Mozilla Firefox. So let me just scroll down for you to view some other things. You have the home page, you have a Firefox account, then you have tabs, you can have language, you can change the language, the font size, then the save files too. This hereby when you download some files, this is the location where the files will be saved to. Maybe you want to save the files to downloads. If you want to change the location, then you have to click on browse and then change the location. Maybe you select another folder, maybe just to drive C, or maybe downloads, or even just click on the desktop, so that when you download anything from the internet, then it will be saved to the desktop. So but I prefer just leaving it at that point where it should download to the download section. So again, you can click on customize to make some changes. You can go to web developer, we have more, we have find these pages. So this is just a brief preview to the Mozilla Firefox. And so guys, if you have any question to do with the Mozilla Firefox, just comment down below in the comment section, and I'll get feedback box. I'll get back to you the positive response. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon to enable notifications. So thanks for watching. Take it.